but you just knew that Marquez was going to fire that Repsol on the right up the inside of Petrucci at all costs. He wants to go, but you just knew that Marquez was going to fire that Repsol on the right up the inside of Petrucci at all costs. He wants to go with Fabio Quartararo. Now this would...
Massive
absolute monster high side for the world champion. Asking too much of the power.
Goodness me, that was vicious. Tyres have been cooled down and that hurt.
Well, he got pinged straight up in the air. He actually landed on his feet and got a face planted, head-butted the tarmac.
Goodness me,
you know
that
what?
hurt.
That's just cruising behind Quartararo. That's not got enough temperature in those